Hello my partiers, it is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And today you guys, I'm going to be bringing you guys a video with me and Amaya decorating Christmas cookies. And you guys, my husband and I finished cutting out the cookies. And we stayed up to almost 2:45 this morning, you guys. So I appreciate him very much because he had to go to work also. So I really appreciate it. And you guys, stay tuned to this video. Okay, you guys, so this is what you're going to need for the best sugar cookie cutout recipe. You're going to need your 2 mixing bowls. You're going to need your measuring cup. You're going to need your measuring spoons. And for the ingredients, you're going to need confectioner's sugar. You're going to need all-purpose flour. Salt, vanilla, two sticks of unsalted butter, and 2 eggs. Well, I have medium eggs, so I'm going to use 2 medium eggs to equal a large egg, but it's really you need 1 large egg. If you don't have 1 large egg, then use 2 medium eggs. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm going to try to be quick with this, so this video won't be time consuming, you guys. But I have already poured in 2 cups of flour and a half teaspoon of salt. And what I'm going to do now is just mix it around with my beater. Going to mix it real good. So the salt can even out with the flour. You're going to want to stir it around for probably like a minute and a half to 2 minutes. So what I'm doing now, you guys, is I'm going to be making Christmas cookies with Amaya, my niece. If you guys are new to these videos, if you go back and watch some of my old videos, you'll see my niece Amaya in my videos with me a lot. She stays with her dad, so I'm always at their house. So I get to see her a lot, you guys. So me and her have a really good auntie-niece bond. So you'll be seeing her in a lot of my videos, you guys. And you might see her dad in some of my videos too. Okay, so I have mixed my flour and salt together. And now I'm going to grab my second mixing bowl. Okay guys, here's my second mixing bowl, And in my second mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter. So let me get those open. Just 1 stick. Two sticks. And I'm going to add my confectioner's sugar, and I'm going to use 1 cup, you guys, 1 cup of confectioner's sugar. Even out. Okay, here's 1 cup, you guys. I'm just gonna pour that in with my butter, and I'm going to mix this on medium speed. And after this is fluffy, I'm going to add my 2 eggs and my vanilla. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I have blended my sugar and butter together, and this is how it should look, fluffy like this. So now what I'm going to do is add 2 eggs. So let me break my eggs. Second egg. Okay. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon just one moment, you guys. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So here is my vanilla going in. And I'm going to put it back in my mixer and mix it for about 2 minutes, and I'll be back. Also, guys, when you blend your eggs and vanilla in, when you blend it up good, gradually add your flour to the mixture and mix it in. Don't just dump your flour in, gradually add it to this mixture. Okay, you guys, so this is my dough. And now what I'm going to do with this dough is take a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put my dough inside this bag. After I put my dough in this bag, I'm going to flatten it out, and I'm going to put it in my refrigerator and let it chill for 2 hours, you guys. Okay, you guys, see, once I have got my dough in this bag, Ziploc bag, I just flatten it out like this. And then I'm going to put mine in the refrigerator and chill it for 2 hours, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have finished letting my dough chill, and I have taken it out, and I have kneaded my dough already. So let's get ready to roll and cut some cookies. Okay, you guys, I have cut out my cookies. You can see here are the ugly sweaters, some stars. Then I cut out the word joy. Here's the Y. Here's the snowflake. It goes in place of the O in joy. There's the J. A bell. I did some classic Santas. Bell, stars. And so, me and Amaya will be decorating these cookies, you guys. And with these ugly sweaters, what I'm going to do is, I found these little like pattern makers. And I'm just going to go over my sweater. See, you guys, and make designs in it. See the pattern? Then I have a different one too. This one has, I'm gonna try to see how this is gonna look. There it is. There we go. Have those designs on my sweater. Put some more up here. There we go. And we will be back to show you guys the decorating part. Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.